Welcome to Advanced Microsolutions 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers how to change the user's work directory. The work directory may need to be changed if the program and data are stored in different locations, or if the data is stored in multiple directories. Open the 1099 ETC program. Select Utilities on the main menu. Select Program System Utilities, and then select Change User's Work Directory. The default directory location will be listed on the screen. First, if the drive letter in the top box is not correct, click the drop-down arrow to the right. In the second box, make sure the Z drive is highlighted. Then click on the data directory. In our example, it is the 1099 etc.wxx folder. Find the folder where the data is located and double-click on it. Your list of pair folders should appear. Do not click on an individual pair folder. Click OK. Now, when you open a module, you can verify that you are working in the correct data directory on the Select Pair screen. Below the list of pairs, the work directory will be displayed. For further questions, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat, or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.